I can confidently say that you can learn this makeup and do it yourself at your first party. Would you like me to teach you this makeup? Then let's go. Hi beauty. Welcome back to my channel. It's Casca here. And I'm here to teach you this spring makeup. We are going to turn this eye into this eye. First, apply a concealer behind our eyelids and under our eyes, and blending with brush. We use light blue color for our base, because we are going to use a dark blue color. This way our eyeshadow will not smudge. I use the halo eyeshadow technique, shading the inner and outer corner of the eye and keeping the center of the lid empty for a brighter color. Now we're using a dark blue color to add more depth to the eyes. Before watching the rest of the video, like this video, and subscribe to the channel. And the lower eyelid is done in the same way. Apply any light color you like in the middle of the eyelid. I applied pink because I like the color very much. We apply peach shiny color on the eyelid to reduce the intensity of the pink color, thus it becomes more beautiful. We get to the attractive part of the eyeliner. We need two eyeliners, white and yellow. The eyeliner that we are going to draw is in the graphic form that you can see below. use these two colors for the inner corner of the eye. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video, bye bye.